Hey, what's up guys? Today is February the 20th, 2023, and today's video I'm going to show you the new MKSD 5.3 eSIM support for devices 13, 12, 13, and 14. Of course, for iPhone 14, for the US market, it doesn't support it doesn't have a SIM card or SIM trade option. For those overseas, they do have that option. So if you have one of those, this is for you. Anyone having a 12 and 13 and SE3, this option is for you as well. We had to do a few steps different. This is going to be a little bit different than the regular RSIM using MKSD or any RSIM of your choice. In order to unlock 12, 13, and 14, you must have an eSIM installed on your device. If you have a T-Mobile Sprint iPhone, you must have a eSIM from T-Mobile. It can apply from T-Mobile, Mint Mobile, or Metro. Metro, I think you must have a prepaid plan already, or because I don't think you're gonna be able to install it or pre-install an eSIM without having a plan with them. The only option is to download the app from T-Mobile, and there is a free trial for 90 days for free, and you can download an eSIM. Just download the app from T-Mobile, and there's going to be a free trial that you can download an eSIM. Also, there is an app for Mint Mobile. Download that app, and there is a 7-day trial that allows you to download an eSIM. Any other AT&T, there is also an option for you to download an eSIM for T-Mobile users. If your iPhone is from T-Mobile, download an eSIM from T-Mobile. If your iPhone is from Spectrum, you need to download an eSIM from Spectrum, and so forth and so forth and so forth. For whatever company your iPhone is from, you need to download an eSIM for that. Okay, and this is eSIM support. It is 100% stable. There is no more configurations. Once the eSIM is installed on your device, basically there is no process. It won't. Sometimes the menu won't pop out, or sometimes it doesn't. You'll see. I've been doing a lot of tests, and in some cases the menu comes out, and sometimes the menu doesn't automatically gives me the signal. Hopefully in this case this is a T-Mobile. Sometimes it doesn't pull any menu. I need to go into the SIM application, so in order for the menu to come up. So let me show you. Right now I have a T-Mobile eSIM installed, downloaded.
Thanks for calling T. As part of this call, T.
And I'm going to be using a AT&T prepaid. Okay, I'm gonna eject my SIM tray. There is no SIM card. Okay, 5G, T-Mobile. Same setup, same everything. One side is the longest, one side is short. The side is short has the same shape of your SIM tray. Sits on the bottom. Your SIM tray sits on top. Fold it over. Put it in. We don't need Wi-Fi if you wanted to or not. Like I said, with an eSIM, it's really simple. Let me see if I can fix the light. There we go. Okay. Then put this on the side here. So I'm going to install my AT&T with my MKSD Ultra 5.3. And right now, my only active line it is AT&T T-Mobile. Second line SOS. Okay, I'm gonna insert my okay. Here's the menu. And we're going to select 5G eSIM. And here's the menu. We are going to select a Sprint because the phone is a Sprint T-Mobile, originally from Sprint. It's an iPhone 12 Pro Max. If your iPhone is originally from T-Mobile, you will select T-Mobile 5G or T-Mobile. You need to you can go first T-Mobile 5G. This is the configuration once you have two lines in your phone. This is the setup cellular. Continue. In this case, it's giving me this first and second line. Continue. Which line you're going to use as a default? Let's go business, which is my AT&T business. Okay, business, because at this time it doesn't matter. I'm gonna turn off my T-Mobile because I'm not gonna be using T-Mobile anymore. So as you can see, it's reading AT&T and T-Mobile. Practically it's acting like my phone is unlocked. So I'm going back to settings, cellular, and then here's your SIMs. If you're not familiar with SIM number 1, this is my Sprint, which is my AT&T, because if I press my primary line, it will display T-Mobile, because iPhone is originally from T-Mobile. Sprint will be the same, and it says here on the side the line from T-Mobile. In the other line, it doesn't say anything, and my roaming is off, so I'm going back, and my line that it says T-Mobile, I'm going to turn it off. I don't need it at this point. Turn it off. And I'm going back to my business, which is AT&T. And then here, I'm going to make a few changes. Hopefully you're able to see it. On business, I'm going to label it AT&T, so that way I know. I'm going to roaming on, LTE, VoLTE must be on. Okay, so as you can see, it's only reading AT&T now. Now let's make a test call. Call fail. It's normal. Now let's go back to cellulars once again. Make sure where it says AT&T, which is your line. The other line, the eSIM, do not delete it, leave it, because if you want to change companies or you want to SIM unlock with a different carrier, you're going to need the eSIM. So leave it as it is, do not delete it, leave it as it is. On the AT&T, going back, here is your menu, SIM applications, and I'm going to reactivate. You see, my signal went away. I close everything. I'm just waiting to make the first phone call. Once I make the first phone call.
Welcome to AT&T Prepaid.
One thing that I noticed for AT&T Prepaid, we might need to, it's a little bit more complicated than AT&T Postpaid. AT&T Postpaid, AT&T, Anything postpaid, you won't have any problems. For some reason, it worked really smooth. Everything prepaid, you might need to do every configuration. In this case, we might need to go and add the APNs. Let's try without the APNs. As you can see, for AT&T, we need to add the APNs. It won't pick up any cellular. And to be honest with you, I think I run out of my data because this is a prepaid plan. I purchased one of the cheapest one, for test purposes. And I think I already ran out of my, I think it's the $20 for, I think it's 3 gigs or 5 gigs, and I think I already ran out. But let's see if that works. Yeah, I must be running out of my data. But yes, guys, that's how it works. So make sure you download your eSIM, enable in order for everything works. eSIM, and once you download your eSIM, make sure you don't delete it, save it, just turn it off. Or if you want to use the free trial, make sure you use those 7 or 90 days before they expire. Take advantage of those and then just turn it off and then use your regular service for your new company. But that's about it. This is the new MKSD Ultra 5.3. The one piece for any model with the SIM card facing up. And also I have the one piece with double tape, MKSD Ultra as well, 5.3. This is for any, basically if it's any model, you just need to peel off the sticker on the back and you just attach it to your SIM card, and then if it's any model. And also it's available on my website. It will be posted later. But yeah, leave any comments. But that's how it works. My video, it might be perfect, but at least I show you anything can happen. Also the menu, if you need, like in the other videos, if you want the menu to come back, you need to take the SIM card out and you need to put another SIM card in order for the menu to come back. And with this new with this new MKSD Ultra 5.3, the only thing you need to go is go to your dialer, pound, make a phone call, voila, there's your menu. And then you just go, once again, go to your 5G, your 5G mode-ESim, sprint, accept, dismiss. That's how you gain the signal again. That's simple. So that's the new thing about the MKSD. Hopefully you like it. Let me know. Anything you need will be on my description on the video. Thumbs up, share. Questions, let me know. I only provide support for my customers. And I only provide support for US carriers. Please, I do not know how the other overseas or any other I don't know. I don't know if this is gonna be working in Mexico, Canada. I know it's working in Mexico. I know it's working in Canada because I have customers there. But if it's other than that, I don't have access. I don't know how the network works. So please, I only know here networks in the US. That's what how my business, and that's what I know. So please, and also there's no ICCID. I have lots of emails, lots of text messages. They are just you know, I have tons of emails asking for ICC IDs. That takes a lot of time, you know, going through my emails. Same thing with my text messages. It's a nightmare. They're just checking emails and text messages, taking time away from, you know, helping real customers. There's no ICC ID, please. When there's a new ICC ID, you will know. It will be posted on my website as well. Well, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.